So had an interesting thing happen today. Actually resurrect a live bird. So lady neighbor down the road basically called me. She had an owl that's been in her backyard for a couple days and not flying, and the crows were starting to get at it. So made a few phone calls. I went down, picked it up, took it down to Columbus Wildlife Sanctuary, and it was interesting. So I just got a quick clip. I mean, we could have done a lot more. It was neat to watch, but I didn't want to stress the poor thing out. So we took her down, turned her in, and they're actually going to rehab it. Looked like it had a busted wing, and then they're going to let us release it back around this same area, I think. As long as everything turns out, I'll let you know. Maybe film that, because everybody likes to see owls. So anyway, I'll add those 2 quick videos, and just a little sideline today. Took most of the day to do, but it was worth doing. And like I say, resurrect another bird. Are you okay? Look how pretty. Look at the claws. I know you don't like it. It's okay. You want one more drink before we go? Let's see if she wants another drink. Drink? I know. Or was thirsty too, huh? Want some more? Okay. Let's see if we can get you help.